Ohayou gozaimasu. Woo! Winter has struck. Temperatures have plummeted over the last number of days, and we're back on the Hodo. What can I say? I should have been just about making it to Tokyo by now. That was the original plan, but looks like we're going to have to stretch this deal into another year. Bear with me, please. We're somewhere around the 800k mark. We've either just got over it, or we're pushing through it. I can't remember. Anyway, the goal of this next few days is to get up and over Nebisodake. So there's snow up there somewhere in these hills. Up at 1100 meters we're pushing up to. Hopefully we don't get any today. I think we're only hitting 400, 500 meters today. So yeah, let's just get cracking and tiptoe our way up to Nebisodake and start the inner loop of the Shizen Hodo. That's the plan as we lead up to Christmas. Alright, let's see what happens. Those sharp-eyed amongst you might have noticed I'm back in my old comfortable shoes after that autumn episode out, and my feet got ravaged by those last pair of new boots of mine. Yeah, well, they're holding together. They got to hold together for another 5 days. My new boots are in the post office back in Kyoto. They got delivered just a touch too late. So, hold together my little babies, my comfortable shoes, and get me up over Nebisodake without taking on too much snow. Okay, back on track. Bit of a misstep there. Oh hey, slippery mud. At least it's not 6 inches deep. Oh, I've gone and missed another turn. Down in that little village, whatever it was. Luckily, there's a road connecting me back. Shadows are getting long. 2 o'clock in the afternoon and one big bloody climb to go. Up and not quite over Iwasuge, something like that, mountain. Iwasuge maybe, Iwasuge mountain, Iwasugeyama. Lots of warning signs and things telling me goodness knows what. I don't know. This point of the day, just got to press on. Hopefully everything will be okay. There's a toilet here anyway. Another one of those magnificent Aichi toilets. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. Alright. So, let's see what happens when we get to the top of this thing. Where are we? Something Iwasuyama. Iwasuyama is the main peak around here, but apparently it's closed off for some reason. Anyway, it's got a great view. Check that out. Racing darkness again. This is becoming a familiar theme. Something like 3Ks to go. 45 minutes of light. I wonder how I'll go. At least I'm not having blisters to contend with, although my left little pinky toenail, which has been dead since summer, similarly to my right one, which fell off a couple of episodes ago, my left little pinky toe is feeling a little bit tender at the moment. Little pinky toenail, so we'll give that a look at when we get to the hotel tonight. If we get to the hotel tonight. Come on, Willy boy. End of the day, and we hit ropes. This is becoming a recurring theme as well. What to do. There's a roundabout way, which is 5Ks on regular roads. I probably should take that rather than do this 2.8Ks up into the hills. Time to be a sensible Willy, not a silly Willy. Alright, we've made it to the Yakazu bus stop. Goal of the day achieved. Now we just got to sit around for 20 odd minutes in the cold. Watch the sun go down, reflecting on the expressway pylons, and wait for the bus to come. Whisk me off to a nice, warm, dingy business hotel for the evening.